Hello, David here with MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Behind me is a brand new 2026 Harris 210 Sunliner. This is a brand new layout for 2026. We have the metallic color right up here, new design. This boat comes with a saltwater package that's anodes on the logs. It's a single lounger layout powered with a Mercury 150. Let's get up on deck and show you the rest of the boat. Okay, we moved up on deck on this nice chestnut interior, chestnut brown interior. New for 2026 is this new layout. You can see that the bow is squared off. I'm sitting either aft or forward and squared with the boat. We've added storage to both front seats. There's a trash can on this side, deep storage on this side. All the seats will flip up and ample storage through the center in there. There's a subwoofer hidden in this seat right here. We have armrests that come down. Storage under the helm. In-floor storage right there. We have our flip-up table right here. Drops right down. Our dual captain's chairs. Over here on the helm, we have our large Simrad screen, Wet Sounds audio, power bimini top, interior lighting, single lounger, battery switch access without lifting up a seat. This is a brand new model, brand new boat. Come on down to MarineMax, we'll show you the rest.